You don't have to reveal your face or even your real name to start making money online. It's completely possible to run a business while staying private. One simple way to begin is by choosing a pen name for your email list and creating neutral brand assets in Canva. Plenty of beginners think they need to put their real identity out there to be taken seriously, but that's not true. You can use a pen name for all your emails and create clean, minimal brand assets in Canva. This gives your business a polished look while keeping your personal information out of sight. From there, set up a landing page in System.io. Upload your logo, adjust the text to match your brand, and keep the layout simple. Once it's live, you'll have a working funnel that lets you promote products and capture emails, all while keeping your identity completely private. If you want to move even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder comes with ready-made faceless funnel templates, swipe files, and AI-generated copy. It guides you step by step so you can run a faceless online business without worrying about identity. For less than $20, you can get the AI Faceless List Builder, set up your faceless business, and start building an email list under a pen name, all while staying completely anonymous. Check the link in the description to get started.